All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Tuesday verb. So extend. Extend. To make something longer. 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 I need to extend the chapter. I have a book and it needs to be extended. Extended. We're extending the pipe. The pipe. Pipe. Let's try and get a picture. Okay, no pipe. Right. They are extending the bridge over the river. Oh, actually, here's a pipe. Pipe, yeah. Pipe, yeah, the pipe. Pipe. And the bridge. River, bridge, water. Very nice. So, he extended it easily. So, he extended it easily. Easily. Yeah. We should extend the film and make it longer. Okay? Yeah. She is struggling to extend the deadline for the class. Yeah. How can they extend it? How can they extend it? I don't know. It's not possible. Well, it is possible. That's strange. Yeah. They know how to extend the documents, time, lesson, book, material. They make it longer. How cool is that? Yeah. Perhaps they will extend it next season. Yeah, so perhaps the next episodes will be longer. They might extend them. Extend them. How cool is that? Yeah. If I extend my lessons, they will be too long. They'll be too long, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, so extend, to make something longer. Yeah, so can you use extend in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.